What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you this tool. It's going to be following another video I did previously where I presented to you the Llama AI coder, online AI coder. And like we saw in that video, Llama came with so many restrictions. It came with so many shortcomings. It didn't have a lot of features. And so today we're going to be discovering another tool. The main advantage of Llama was that it was paid, so it was free, so you didn't have to pay for a subscription. You could use it as much as you wanted. So this is another tool which is quite similar to Llama, but this comes with a paid subscription, but it does have so many other features. So right off the bat, this is my dashboard, so you can already see my projects. You can see some features here already. This one comes with a database, which Llama didn't have. And it comes with AI templates that you can start off your projects from. And it also has the all features to manage your payments and all. So yeah, so we're going to be seeing how it works. It's called Create.xyz. I'm not really doing a good job at branding, but that's just what it's called. So you just head to app.create.xyz and you create an account and you log in and you have the platform here. So all you have to do is to create a new project that I've done. So once you create a new project, you have this interface here. So like we did for Llama, we are just going to do the same thing. Create a portfolio for me. I am a front-end developer. So just with a one-line simple prompt, and let's see what is able to generate with this. So yeah, so to send the commands, you have to press Ctrl and Enter, else it won't go. So yeah, already right off the bat, you can see a lot of the additional features it has. First, it has the invites. You can collaborate with multiple people on the same project. Secondly, you can publish your app. You can publish it. It means deploying your web app. So you'll be able to buy a domain name and some hosting space and all of that. So secondly, you have this section here where you can choose to see the responsiveness on mobile phones or on desktop. And then here you can see the code, you can see the preview, and so on and so forth. You can equally see here the additional options. You see here, you can create new things, new functions, new pages, new components. Can do all of that to a certain manual level, but the AI itself as well can just do that for you. So yeah, it comes ahead and generates some code for you. Strangely enough, it's not displaying. We'll try to refresh to see if it will display. So it says, I've created a professional portfolio website for you with several features. Yep, you did. All right, so it was just taking some time to load. So right off the bat, you can see with a single line or a single prompt or line of prompt, it's been able to generate all of this code already. There's not really a lot going on. It's kind of similar to Llama, but it does come with AI generated images, and it's not afraid to put the AI generated images everywhere. So you can explore the different pages. It seems to not have created the pages. So, okay. So this is not bad. I mean, this is workable. So if we click on the phone, we see how it displays with phone. As you can see, it has additional features like Llama. Llama didn't have this responsiveness testing. So I like this about that. So you can click here as well to select elements. You can easily customize elements. If you want to change the text here, you can easily do that. So it has this additional feature that just makes it a little more customizable. You can equally click here to have access to all of the code. You can download the project completely, copy the code, or embed the project as well. It's an option for you as well. So then let's head over back to the demo to see what's there. Then let's try to give it more context or more information. So use the cyan color as primary. My name is Gemma. So let's go ahead and use that. So basically I'm saying that I don't want to use this color as the primary color. You should use the cyan color. and then change name from maybe GD to Gemma and things like that. Yeah, so let's see how it does. So right off the bat, you can see that it doesn't have as many errors as Llama did. And it comes with so many additional options. I see here make component, deletes, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, it has easily changed all of the colors to the cyan color. Yeah. And it has equally changed my name. So it's able to do that quite easily. So yeah, so this an amazing platform as well that allows you to really create things very, very fast. One last thing I want to check out is how much the Pro costs. So already we're able to use it quite easily, free of charge. But now how much does it cost? It costs basically $19 per month to get started, and it comes with this: more credits per month, private projects, remove, create branding, custom domain. So with this, you have your custom domain and you can easily publish your app. This comes with the other pricings as well, come with different things. Yeah, so this is definitely a cool platform. It's a good platform to get started. Personally, it's not what I use, so I'm personally not going to recommend this, but you can check it out if the project you're trying to build is very easy not to get started. The other platforms I personally use are, you must use a subscription. You cannot work on them without the subscriptions. But with platforms like this one, you can code there and get to a certain good level before your credits run out, and then you just download your project. So there are not a lot of these platforms where you can just do that. So that's why they are still relevant. So with this, for example, you can directly publish using either a custom domain, or you can use the domain they will generate for you. So you can easily just publish whatever you have created quite easily. So that's kind of the additional features this platform comes with. One particular feature I feel is lacking and which could be there is GitHub. I feel like they could have integrated the ability for people to send their code to GitHub. Maybe it's there, I don't know, but I've not yet seen any references to that. So it might be there. So let's try to check the settings. Oh, there's not much happening here. So from the setting, it's saying it uses Cloud Sonnet 3.5. Yeah, so I guess you can also customize the model it uses. So let's try to be a little petty and ask it. I don't like this. Make it more modern and beautiful, and also add a lot of data. This page is virtually empty. So let's try to be petty like that and see what it's going to do or what it's going to generate. So already, as you can see, it goes really, really fast. It goes really, really fast. Another flaw I'm seeing is that they don't tell you how much credits you have left. For a platform that uses credits, they should tell you like you have this many credits left or this many prompts left, but they don't do any of that. So it's kind of disappointing. So another thing too, you can add images. You can add images. Maybe if you want to reproduce something in particular, just add screenshot of that here and it's going to do that. So they equally I feel like they have too much customization. Like the fact that you can be creating components, creating functions and all. I don't need all of that. I just want you to handle all of that by yourself. I don't need to be doing that. And equally, they have a database feature, which is kind of interesting. It means you can create apps which can use a database. I guess that's equally going to be locked behind a paywall or something like that. So yeah. So let's see how good it is at responding to my comments. Okay, so finally it's done. And as you can see, now my website is totally different and it really, really looks beautiful right now. It really looks beautiful. So there is this button to put it in full screen mode. So we are going to do that. Well, I think it was to put it in full screen mode. Seems that's not the case. Well, that's odd. Okay. All right. I guess it's a responsive button kind of thing. Okay. No. What is it doing? Well, I'm not sure what it's doing. Normally, this button is to put it in full screen mode. I guess it's instead a responsive kind of button, something like that. Well, I was trying to get this side closed, but I don't see any button to do that. I would have really liked if there was an option to kind of close this section so that I can see it better, but it seems there is not such a button. So nevertheless, this is what it looks like. It looks really good. It has added a lot more data. It's way more modern and beautiful, like I gave the prompt for it to do. It has added more sections. So it's added the pages still don't load. It has not used different pages. It's put everything on one page, but it definitely looks quite amazing actually. So with prompts, you can iterate and really come out with something beautiful and something to your liking. So I really like this website, especially for the fact that it's free. You can create something quite amazing with that and do amazing things just for free. Then when you are ready, you can transition to maybe either upgrade here or use some other apps which have way better models that they use. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to present to you this app.create.xyz. I'm not sure what the name is. Maybe the name is Create. I'm not sure, but that'll be just a weird name. So anyways, I just wanted to present to you this platform. Definitely check it out. Let me know if it's something you use regularly. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on another one.